How to Make Money Online, 19-20 dollars Day with Google for Beginners, 2023. Embark on a transformative journey as a beginner in the online realm, unlocking the secrets to earning $19-20 a day with Google in 2023. This guide isn't just about making money. It's a gateway to empowerment, financial freedom, and the limitless potential of the digital era. Let's dive in. Number 1, educate yourself. This is a foundational principle for anyone looking to make money online, including those exploring opportunities with Google. This concept involves gaining a deep understanding of the digital landscape, online marketing strategies, and the specific methods or platforms you intend to use. Learn about various online platforms provided by Google, such as Google AdSense, Google AdWords, YouTube monetization, and other tools. Understand how these platforms operate, their eligibility criteria, and the potential revenue streams they offer. Explore different monetization methods available on Google platforms. For instance, with Google AdSense, you can monetize your website or blog by displaying ads, while Google AdWords allows businesses to advertise their products or services. Understanding the nuances of these methods is crucial for maximizing earnings. Search engine optimization, SEO, plays a vital role in online visibility. Understand the basics of SEO to optimize your content for search engines. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for this channel. Let's continue. Number 2, choose a legitimate platform. It's important to approach the idea of making money online with a clear understanding that exaggerated claims, such as making a specific amount per day, can often be misleading or even indicative of a potential scam. However, if we focus on legitimate methods associated with Google, one platform that stands out is Google AdSense. Please note that while this is a legitimate platform, it does not guarantee specific daily earnings, and the amount one can make depends on various factors. Google AdSense is an advertising program that allows website owners, bloggers, and content creators to monetize their online content by displaying targeted ads. The program is managed by Google, and it serves as an intermediary between advertisers and publishers. To get started, you need to apply for a Google AdSense account. Google reviews the content and quality of the website or platform, ensuring it complies with their policies. Once approved, you can integrate AdSense into your online properties. Google uses contextual targeting to display ads that are relevant to the content of the page. Earnings on Google AdSense are primarily based on the number of ad impressions and clicks. Advertisers pay Google for these interactions, and Google, in turn, shares a portion of that revenue with the website owner or content creator. Number 3, build a strong online presence. Building a strong online presence is a crucial aspect of any successful online venture, including efforts to make money online with Google or other platforms. Clearly define your niche or area of expertise. Whether it's through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media, having a specific focus helps attract a targeted audience. A well-defined niche allows you to create content that resonates with a particular audience, increasing the likelihood of monetization through targeted advertising or product promotions. Consistently produce high-quality content that provides value to your audience. This could include informative articles, engaging videos, or insightful social media posts. Quality content establishes your credibility and authority, making your platform more appealing to advertisers and potential business partners. Actively engage with your audience through comments, social media interactions, and other communication channels. Building a community fosters trust and loyalty. Engaged audiences are more likely to respond positively to promotions and recommendations. A loyal following can result in higher conversion rates for sponsored content or product sales. Once you've built a strong online presence, Explore various monetization strategies such as Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling digital products, services. Number 4. Monetize through multiple streams. Monetizing through multiple streams refers to diversifying your sources of online income by leveraging various methods and platforms. This approach is often considered a prudent strategy for people looking to make money online, providing both stability and the potential for increased earnings. In making money online with Google for Beginners in 2023, diversification can be crucial to building a sustainable and resilient online income. Brands may pay content creators to create and publish content that promotes their products or services. This can include blog posts, videos, or social media content. Sponsored content provides an additional revenue stream and can be particularly lucrative as a content creator's audience grows. However, maintaining authenticity and relevance is crucial. Beginners can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or digital art. Platforms like Google Drive or Google Classroom can be utilized for hosting and selling these products. Selling digital products allows beginners to monetize their expertise and creativity directly. Once created, digital products can be a source of passive income. Beginners with specific skills, writing, graphic design, programming, etc., can offer their services on freelancing platforms or through their own websites. Number 5. Stay informed and adapt. Staying informed and adapting are crucial aspects of navigating the ever-changing landscape of making money online. This principle involves consistently updating your knowledge about industry trends, algorithm changes, emerging technologies, and effective strategies. Adapting to these changes ensures that your approach remains relevant and effective, maximizing your potential for success. Online platforms, including Google, frequently update their algorithms. For instance, Google's search algorithm evolves to enhance user experience and provide more accurate search results. Staying informed about these changes allows you to adjust your content and marketing strategies to maintain or improve your online visibility. The online space is dynamic, with new technologies influencing user behavior and expectations. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell button for more tips on personal finance. Check the link below for the playlist on these topics. There are more information you would not want to miss. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.